Teliamura Bwkhaste Nonacherra tei Kakracherra kame Amchaio sal Kolokma Romwi Lukurokni Dalbidal Jungjal ni Sepsab no tei Sanmwng Tisawi Phaimani Srangsalo Teliamura a Kainwi Jagathaino Berainaikha MDC Utpal Debbarma
Nonacherra to community based those
Asalo MDC Utpal Debbarma Teliamura Bwkhaste Nonacherra tei Kakracherra Amchaini Kainwi Jagathaino Berainaikha yakulo Koklam thumnarani buskango koksanani thangui MDC Utpal Debbarma saka Amchaini Lukurokni sal Kolokma ni Jungjal abo haikheno thanglai sune Sepsab nungjaknai kaham tui jongferangni Sepsab saknaikol mono tui Koklam Salaikha abo haikheno Dalbidal Sanmwng Tisamani Amchaini Lukurok daktino supanggi rojaknai hani saka.
Well, this is Khorang para. There is one more village which is just 10 to 15 minutes from here. There is also Khorang. That is why it is called Khorang 1 and Khorang 2. In fact, this is the last village in my constituency. That I would say last village of Khoi district. The other side it is Dolai district. Now after visiting here, it is very clear that they are having water problem, they are having road problem, no electricity here, no school at all. I have discussed this matter with them, and very soon I will be meeting the DM, I will be meeting the SDM, the BDOs. I will also be meeting the Honorable Tribal Welfare Minister. I will tell them about these problems and we will try to solve it out. We visited 2 VCs today. One is Kakracherra VC, the other is Nonacherra VC. In fact, among many, these are the worst VC that I have.
Asalo kami Amchaio Berainaikha MDC Utpal Debbarma na karibu manjaka 29 Krishnapur Amchaio Tripura Mota Block Asokfang Mahendra Debbarma Tema to Subzonal Chairman no Khofai te Kovan Adongro.
Tolan yang di sana nih power namanya tolat.
Teliamurani simi hiranmoy tei biplopni koktum Chini Khorang.